folks, this is Iliya with TWRAPS, and I'll show you how to install the door handles vinyl wrap on the Lucid Air. Now notice that this wraps around the door handle. It's not just flat on top, it wraps around. And make sure that the door handle is clean. You'll be given alcohol wipes, use them. And then peel off a sticker. Notice that the stickers have letters, D for driver side, P for passenger side, and that matters for some of the vinyls because they're directional. Now we'll align by these small cutouts. They will go here at the corner, and the other one. Now once this is positioned, squeegee out any leftover air from under the vinyl, and then let's wrap it. I'll start with the bottom first. Also make sure your car is unlocked so that the door handle will pop out. Depending on the weather, if it's cold for example, the vinyl might be stiff and not very sticky. So if that happens, you may need a hair dryer or a heat gun to warm up the vinyl so that it can fold and stay. And that's it.